Mentioned before the noon break, the market will sort of jump up and down at the opening, and it does. So I end up sold out the contract. I sold it, and I add another one there. So this is the one at 11,740, and then the market dropped below, and then I sold it. So far our winning trades. So got me a balance of for 3,400 so far. So I was trying to put an order just now at that level. I missed it, for my clients, So I'm going to wait for another chance now. I might not be able to, but it doesn't matter because I can see there's some. Anyway, I got a feeling today the market will drop a little bit more, and then eventually it will climb back up to around this level, very close to the magnet line. Later on this afternoon, might be after 3. We'll see. Keep you updated, guys. Waiting for a chance to make a put somewhere there at about that level, 90-something level. Got it. I'm not sure whether it's a good move because if you look at hold on, this chart there, it can still climb up a little bit. I've got a feeling, because if you look at this chart, the faster chart, it went past those bars. So don't know. We see. I'm going to place a short in here.
Order pending.
The reason being is because if you look at a faster chart, then sort of you can't really sort of tell that the price might go up there. But if you look at a slower chart like this, that's supporting line there. Very likely the price will go to about like 700 level, somewhere around there, 699, that kind of level. So that was just now the order I've got from my client. I've pulled out already and make about 3 pips just to cover the cost. As I mentioned, if you do not feel comfortable, pull out at any time. See, I got in all right at the right spot. 701, 702, I got in at. So this is what I'm saying, 700 actually, exactly at 700. So look at a slower chart, then you might see something different. I mean, from here, it doesn't seem, it's got a support line ready, but it doesn't work that way. It will still go up, So I got in at the right spot. You never know. It might not be the best spot. It can go up to about like 19733 before it sort of, or it might sort of keep going up. No one knows. See, this is what I'm saying. Went back up again. But at least you got yourself into a better position, then you can put a much wider stop. So now it's looking pretty secure now. If the price is dropping a little bit more, as you can see, there is a big shooting star there, same as the 6 range bar chart. Although on a 3, it looks like it's going to climb a little bit, But I reckon this is safe now. I mean, that's not a bad price to get in. Just got one in for my client just now at about at the same price as 700. Hopefully it's a good price, but gotta wait for a while. Not sure. It might go. Yeah, he got. It's actually went for it up. So you can never guarantee it's a good price. So the next stop, I'm going to set a stop at 197.39. Give it a wider stop if you believe the price is going to drop. But you never know whether the price is going to drop or going up. As I mentioned, you can't guarantee. At least you sort of got into like a mid range, better than like got in at 88, So hopefully stop at about like 197.11. Or if it's go past that line, then it will just keep going forever. As I'm saying, this can be an uptrend because it's in the afternoon. So all them stuff around here, it doesn't really count anymore. See that? Keep going up. If it's go past that line, then the next defense line will be like 39. You've got to be extremely careful. I'm going to put a stop now. It could just keep going up. Back to the magnet line. See, it's back to the magnet line now. Ooh. Doesn't look like a downtrend to me anymore. So I've got to pull it out. I'm going to pull out now. Respectively, even though I'm making a loss, doesn't matter because at least I know that the price will keep going up.
Order pending.
I put a price stop at
Order filled.
1.6, so I lost 16 pips. Doesn't matter because I know the price keep going up. See that it's actually went up after I exit. And it all depends on whether it sort of go past that 1.4 level. Otherwise, it will keep bouncing up again. So I make the right move. If that doesn't fall below 16, then the chance of going up is still very high. Sorry, 15. So I have to sort of see. If it does fall below that, then okay, I might sort of like consider to get back in at about like 197.30. Sort of. We'll see. I will look at it, at one more spot. Doesn't seem to die yet. I get a confirmation in the sense of if it fall below like 15 or 14, then I will place an order somewhere there. Okay, now I place an order. So I can sort of, 60% certain that is not totally an uptrend. Okay, then I place an order somewhere there at 26. 27.
Order pending.
If I can get in, then I get in. If I do not get in, then I will just leave it. Sometimes never underestimate, that extra 1 point. That could be an indication of, the trend, momentum. So don't underestimate the extra 1 point or above or below the previous candlesticks. If you look at the order, I still don't trust, the 27. I better hold on for it for a while. I just want to look at it, I reckon it might just pump up, and it's sudden.
Order cancelled.
I got to sort of like look at it closely from this chart. So you got a wick there, sort of not as strong. On a 6 range bar, yeah, it's got a whip there. But I only trust the one of the longer period chart. I'm gonna wait and see what is it can went past 30. If it does went past 30, then yes, maybe I sort of like, you know, if it doesn't went past 30, then I might put an order later on. But if it does went past 30, then I gotta wait. Or even do a call. So this is the reason why I didn't actually place an order just now. It went past 30 now. And if you look at the MACD, something that I don't normally use, it's still it's still stay below 0. It's not a peak yet, so it's not. It doesn't get to the state which is overbought. So so this is why I didn't actually place the order at 27. You see what I'm trying to say? The MACD is still there, still below 0. It's not overbought. See, now it's climbing up. Exactly what I meant. Get to this stage, I might consider to do a call when it hits 11Sep12 because that might be an uptrend. So lucky enough, I pulled out at 16 and I didn't actually rush in for the order at 27. So the safest place, I can't say the safest place to do a put would be somewhere around 11Sep12 now. So I'm going to place a put order there because I think it was still going up somewhere there. Or I can do a call now and then that's the exit point.
Order pending.
We'll see what's happened. Or you can do a call here if you want to. Got a feeling it will go up there. Unless it go past this resistance line. Look, I'm going to do a call here at 19717. See, I managed to got in for the long contract and I put a sell limit there at 19753 because I got strong faith that in the price will stay away from the green line before 3 o'clock. Or it could be 100 pips, either way, up or down. So I'm still making a profit there. See that? I'm very glad that I pulled out at 19716 and I did a call at 19724 because this is hard work. Because if the price is not going up, it will go down. So if you think the price is not going up, then going down, then the price must be going up. So it depends on how far we get to. I might have to worry about the MACD. Now it's 5.5. It's still not sort of like oversold yet, overbought yet. If the MACD hit about like 7 point something or 8, then yeah, you might have to adjust your exit point. Now it's still got momentum to go up. This is one of the ways that I use MACD. And always look for something like at least a 12 range bar MACD, or just forget about like the 6 or the 3 because all of them stuff in here doesn't make any sense to me. Saying, you know, it's still going strong because of the MACD there. You can look at that one as well, the 6 range bar. It's not returning. Forget about the 3. It's too short to be certain.